Are you looking for the best welding gloves? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best welding gloves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Replica Leather Forged Welding Gloves Heat. The Replica Leather Forged Welder Gloves are not aimed for welding protection. In fact, their heat resistance properties allow them to be used equally well for other types of work where you need to shield your hands from heat. These welding gloves are designed to protect your hands from the forearm to the fingertips. The added extra padding and a double layer of leather on the palms and fingers reinforce heat and flame resistance. The Replica welding glove is 16 inches extra long and adds 7.5 inches of long sleeves, so your forearms are completely protected from all the debris and welding sparks that spatter around, and allows for quality welding. It protects the entire palm area equally well and will minimize skin burns and allow you to finish all of your welding projects without injuries. The glove offers heat resistance of up to 932 degrees F, 500 degrees Celsius, due to the fine shoulder split cowhide leather, which is also oil resistance, abrasion resistance, and puncture resistant. At number 2. Lincoln Electric Traditional MIG. The Lincoln Electric welding gloves are designed to endure high temperatures and can protect specifically with TIG, MIG, and stick welding. What makes them one of the best MIG welding gloves is the fact that they are very comfortable with an incredible thumb design for quality work and good dexterity. The appearance is definitely an advantage, as they do not look like your typical welding gloves. They have a two-tone aesthetic design with black and red flames, making them look really cool. But what makes them applicable is the durability. They allow for resistant welding, as the Lincoln welding gloves are made out of top grain leather. Add to that the Kevlar threading and reinforced stress points, and you have yourself some TIG welding gloves, best for all kinds of work. But durability protection from UV radiation is not everything with these gloves. They are also extremely comfortable. They have a cotton liner which is really soft and does not let your hands get so much fatigued. But the Lincoln Electric Traditional are also functional. You won't get the feeling like you are wearing oven mitts as you do with some other types of welding gloves. They provide added dexterity and even add inside cuffs that help in absorbing moisture. Additionally, the price of these gloves is a bit lower than any other Lincoln products, but the quality and usability give it a really good value for money. At number 3. Lincoln Electric Dynamig HD Professional MIG Welding Gloves. The Dynamig Welders Gloves from Lincoln Electric offer high-quality safety and protection. They are made out of white, top-grain cowhide leather and black split cowhide. Add to that the 3-to-2 layer liner and you get some gloves that provide both dexterity and strategic heat resistance. With the Dynamig gloves, you also get dynamic protection, as they can shield your hands from both low and high amperages. They even come with twin sweat absorption cuff, seamless index finger, Kevlar thread, and multiple layers and types of leather, making them quite a good pair of gloves. The glove is really comfortable, as it has foam padded cotton liner to cushion the knuckles. Combine that with an elastic top hand and you get a firm fit. The seamless trigger finger allows for greater movability. The gloves also offer industrial durability thanks to the different types of layers and protection added. They offer extra protection when dealing with molten metal, and you also don't have to worry about hand fatigue due to the comfort of the work gloves. But you should note that these types of gloves don't come cheap. They are the most quality ones and the priciest ones as well. Thanks to the quality leather materials, the heat shield level makes them perfect for any kind of a welding project and for professional use. At number 4. Kim Yuan Extreme Heat. Kim Yuan prides itself on being a very responsible company in the welding industry, as it provides gloves for arm protection and increased safety features. Thus, their Kim Yuan Extreme Heat Resistant Oven Mitts provide an excellent choice for any professional welder. They are entirely made out of cow leather with a thickness depth of 1.2 millimeters. They are lined with cotton material and provide heat insulation, sweat absorption, and are fireproof. They provide good heat protection at 662 degrees F, 350 degrees Celsius. But the gloves are not only safe, they are extremely soft. Being made out of specific parts of cowhide, they are comfortable and fit well for a human hand. The Kevlar quality lining makes it more durable, while the wool lining does not make your hands tired and helps with finger alignment. Heavy-duty welding is more than possible, and you can safely grip any stuff that you might be working on. It is also perfect for all types of welding processes for working at different temperatures. Additionally, this pair of gloves can be used for welding, grill, barbecue, wood stove, oven, fireplace, cutting, gardening, animal handling, camping, campfire, welders, and so much more. The gloves are primarily aimed for professional use, due to the vast range of protection that it provides. However, people in need of good protection can also make good use of them. At number 5. PR Welding Gloves Heat-Resistant Cow Split Leather Barbecue. These are some very nice gloves, best for all types of usages. You can use these leather gloves for baking and arc welding equally well. They are made out of premium leather and have a full cow split leather surface with a thickness depth of about 1.2 millimeters. They protect the thumb area, have palm reinforcements, and provide protection up to your elbow. They are heat resistant and are made to deal with various temperatures. But they are also made so they can survive wear and tear and last longer than others. The main thing about them is that they are very versatile. They are not only meant for welding protection, it is a product that can be used for any kind of work where you need to keep your hands safe. It has heat insulation, oil resistance, cut and puncture resistance. With the ability to protect your hands from welding heat of up to 662 degrees F, 350 degrees Celsius, these gloves are also very soft. The seams are set in such a way so they combine with the padding to help you have complete control of what you are doing at high performance, while at all times keeping your palms soft. It has a good length as it goes above the cuff. The price point also needs to be mentioned here as they are not too expensive. At number 6. Lincoln Electric Roll Cage Welding. If you are planning on doing both welding and rigging work, you don't have to have two pairs of gloves when you can only use one. Lincoln Electric Roll Cage Gloves for welders are specifically created for that purpose. These welding gloves are more than durable as they are made out of durable cowhide and sewed with Kevlar stitching. More so, the added protection is made with knuckle protection, so besides heat protection you can endure work in harsh environments. The roll cage welding gloves are made for industrial durability and offer cut protection and impact protection. The silicone knuckle protection will shield your hands from any possible injuries even during MIG stick welding. Extra palm padding reinforces the high wear areas of the palm. Inside lining provides cut protection while the Kevlar stitching adds maximum safety. Additionally, a wrist guard and fastener are a specific feature that does not only protect but also makes it more comfortable to wear. Besides being made out of top-grain leather material, the gloves are a great choice for various types of work. They can endure extreme heat and are strong enough for different types of jobs that you may plan on doing. Welders also agree that these gloves are some of the coolest looking ones as well. They have a racing glove feel to them with black leather and red stitching. Another piece of equipment that will make a welder look cool while doing their work.